Panasonic Countertop built-in microwave oven with cyclonic wave inverter technology and 1250 W of cooking power, NNSD 775's 1.6 cubic feet, stainless steel silver. Cyclonic wave microwave. At every temperature level, cyclonic wave circulates heat in precise ultra-efficient 3D waves for easier, more versatile food preparation, even with more complex food textures. Microwave controls 20 presets, answer cook menu items, inverter turbo defrost, delay start and timer, more or less controlled, child safety lock, quick 30-second popcorn button with 3 cooking levels. Minimum countertop footprint, smart, compact design devotes less space to electronics and far more interior capacity. Up to 8 pounds lighter than conventional microwave ovens. Sensor Inverter Turbo Defrost utilizes a microwave sequencing system based on inverter's continuous power delivery method to thaw foods more evenly and quickly. Keep warm feature. Microwave keeps foods like vegetables, soups, hors d'oeuvre, gravies, sauces, and desserts warm and delicious in the oven until they're ready to serve. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.